Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin! Matt the dog. I have a dog. His name is Matt. My dog is big. My dog is brown. Your turn. Questions. I have A pig, B dog, C cat. What is the answer? B dog. His name is A. Matt, B. Max, C. Map. What is the answer? A. Matt. My dog is A. Big and brown, B. Little and brown, C. Big and little. What is the answer? A. Big and brown. Sam the cat. I have a cat. His name is Sam. My cat is fat. My cat is orange. Your turn. Questions. I have A cat, B bat, C rat. What is the answer? A cat. His name is A. Sam, B. Matt, C. Rex. What is the answer? A. Sam. My cat is A. Fat and black, B. Fat and orange, C. Little and orange. What is the answer? B. Fat and orange. The cow. I see a cow. The cow is big. The cow is brown. The cow eats grass. Your turn. Questions. I see A cow, B dog, C cat. What is the answer? A cow. The cow eats A. Grass, B. Bug, C. Fish. What is the answer? A. Grass. The cow is A. Big and black, B. Big and brown, C. Little and white. What is the answer? B. Big and brown. The ladybug. I see a little bug. It is a ladybug. The ladybug is red and black. It is on the flower. Your turn. Questions. I see A frog, B bug, C bird. What is the answer? B bug. The ladybug is on A. the flower, B. the mat, C. the grass. What is the answer? A. The flower. The ladybug is A. Red and white, B. Black and blue, C. Red and black. What is the answer? C. Red and black. Good job, kids! Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin! Three little kittens. I see 3 little kittens. The little kittens like to play. They like to play with the ball. Your turn. Questions. I see blank kittens. A. 2, B. 4, C. 3. What is the answer? C. 3. The kittens like to A. Sing, B. Play, C. Run. What is the answer? B. Play. They like to play with A. The dog, B. The frog, C. The ball. What is the answer? C. The ball. My pet hen. Can you see my pet hen? My hen is little. My hen is white. My hen can lay lots of eggs. Your turn. Questions. I have a pet. A horse. B cow. C hen. What is the answer? C hen. My hen can A. Lay lots of eggs. B. Hop. C. Jump high. What is the answer? A. Lay lots of eggs. My hen is A. Little and yellow. B. Little and white. C. Big and brown. What is the answer? B. Little and white. The girl and her horse. The little girl has a horse. Her horse is big. Her horse is brown. She likes to ride her horse. Your turn. Questions. The girl has a horse. B. Cow. C. Hen. What is the answer? A. Horse. She likes to A. Ride her horse. B. Run and jump. C. Ride her bike. What is the answer? A. Ride her horse. The horse is A. Little and brown. B. Big and blue. C. Big and brown. What is the answer? C. Big and brown. Matt's bike. Matt has a new bike. The bike is big and red. Matt rides his bike to school every day. Your turn. Questions. Blank has a new bike. A. Mike. B. Matt. C. Will. What is the answer? B. Matt. The bike is A. Big and red. B. Little and red. C. Little and blue. What is the answer? A. Big and red. Matt rides his bike A. to the park, B. to the school, C. to the zoo. What is the answer? B. to the school. John's pumpkin. John has a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big. The pumpkin is orange. John will make a pumpkin pie. Your turn. Questions. John has A bird, B pumpkin, C cat. What is the answer? B pumpkin. The pumpkin is A big, B little, C red. What is the answer? A big. John will make A apple pie, B pumpkin pie, C cake. What is the answer? B pumpkin pie. Good job, kids! Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin! Larry's basket. Larry has a basket. The basket is full of eggs. He is going to the garden. He will hide the eggs. Your turn. Questions. Larry has a cart, B, a basket, C, a ball. What is the answer? B, a basket. He is going A, to the store, B, to the garden, C, to the zoo. What is the answer? B, to the garden. He will blank the eggs. A, hide, B, bring, C, paint. What is the answer? A, hide. The seal. I can see a little seal. It has a big ball. The ball is on its nose. It likes to play with the ball. Your turn. Questions. The seal has a bell, B, ball, C, basket. What is the answer? B, ball. The ball is A, little, B, big, C, a seal. What is the answer? B, big. The seal likes to A. Play with the ball. B. Jump on the ball. C. Run with the ball. What is the answer? A. Play with the ball. The red apple. Eve has an apple. It is a red apple. He will give the apple to Adam. Your turn. Questions. What does Eve have? A. Apple. B. Toy. C. Orange. What is the answer? A. Apple. What color is it? A. Green. B. Red. C. Blue. What is the answer? B. Red. Who will she give it to? A. Dan. B. Sue. C. Adam. What is the answer? C. Adam. Olivia. Olivia can write. She is writing a letter. She will mail it to her grandmother. She loves her grandmother. Your turn. Questions. Olivia can A. Cook. B. Climb. C. Write. What is the answer? C. Write. She is A. Writing a letter. B. Cleaning her room. C. Washing the dishes. What is the answer? A. Writing a letter. She will mail it A. to her sister. B. to her friend. C. to her grandmother. What is the answer? C. to her grandmother. Maribel's flower. Maribel has flowers. Her flowers are in the pot. Her flowers are yellow and pink. She loves flowers. Your turn. Questions. Maribel has A flower, B notebook, C doll. What is the answer? A flower. Her flowers are A in the floor, B in the pot, C in the box. What is the answer? B in the pot. Her flowers are A blue and white, B yellow and pink, C white and gray. What is the answer? B yellow and pink. Good job, kids! Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin! I went to the beach with my family. We saw a big lighthouse. It was red and white. We had fun together. Your turn. Questions. I went blank with my family. A. To the store, B. To the park, C. To the beach. What is the answer? C. To the beach. We saw A. An island, B. A little lighthouse, C. A big lighthouse. What is the answer? C. A big lighthouse. The lighthouse was A. Red and black, B. Red and white, C. Blue and white. What is the answer? B. Red and white. I see a boy and a girl. I see them in a boat. The boat is in the lake. Your turn. Questions. I see A. A boy, B. A girl, C. A boy and a girl. What is the answer? C. A boy and a girl. I see them in A. A car, B. A train, C. A boat. What is the answer? C. A boat. The boat is in A. The sea, B. The lake, C. The river. What is the answer? B. The lake. That is Jason. He loves to play in the snow. He is making a snow angel. Your turn. Questions. That is A. Jason, B. Jessica, C. Bradley. What is the answer? A. Jason. He loves to play A. In the sand, B. In the snow, C. In the park. What is the answer? B. In the snow. He is making A snow angel. B. Snowballs. C. A snowman. What is the answer? A snow angel. Olivia is my friend. She has a teddy bear. Her dad gave it to her. She loves her teddy bear. Your turn. Questions. Olivia is A. My teacher. B. My friend. C. My sister. What is the answer? B. My friend. She has A. A teddy bear. B. Teddy bears. C. Doll. What is the answer? A. A teddy bear. Her blank gave it to her. A. Aunt. B. Mom. C. Dad. What is the answer? C. Dad. I have a friend. His name is Greg. He is holding a flag. The flag is color red. Your turn. Questions. My friend's name is A. Rick. B. Greg. C. Bill. What is the answer? B. Greg. He is holding A flag. B. Banner. C. Bag. What is the answer? A. Flag. The flag is color A. Red. B. Pink. C. White. What is the answer? A. Red. Good job, kids! Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin! Matt the rat. Matt is a fat rat. He is hot. He can see a dam. Matt can get in the dam. Your turn. Questions. What is Matt? A fat rat. B. A fat cat. C. A fat bat. What is the answer? A fat rat. What can he see? A man. B. A dot. C. A dam. What is the answer? C. A dam. What can Matt do? A. Get a pan. B. Get in the dam. C. Sit in a pot. What is the answer? B. Get in the dam. Mac the yak. Mac is a yak. He is big. It is hot in the sun, so Mac got a hat. His hat is red. Your turn. Questions. What is Mac? A. A yak. B. A cat. C. A yam. What is the answer? A. A yak. Why did he get a hat? A. He is big. B. It is hot. C. He is sad. What is the answer? B. It is hot. What color is his hat? A. Purple. B. Red. C. Black. What is the answer? B. Red. Jam the fox. Jam is a fox. She is in a den. Jam has fox cubs in the den. Your turn. Questions. What is jam? A. A fig. B. A box. C. A fox. What is the answer? C. A fox. Where is jam? A. In a box. B. In a den. C. In a cub. What is the answer? B. In a den. What is in the den? A. Cubs. B. Cups. C. Cubs. What is the answer? A. Cubs. Ben's nap. Ben is in the bed. His mom will hug him. Ben will have a nap. Your turn. Questions. What is the boy's name? A. Ben. B. Don. C. Dan. What is the answer? A. Ben. Where is Ben? A. In a pit. B. B. In bed. C. In a pen. What is the answer? B. In bed. What will Ben have? A. A nap. B. A pin. C. A pen. What is the answer? A. A nap. Sam the pirate. Sam has a big hat. She has a map. The map has a red X on it. Your turn. Questions. Who is the girl? A. Peg. B. Pam. C. Sam. What is the answer? C. Sam. What does Sam have? A. A map. B. A cat. C. A mat. What is the answer? A. A map. What is on the map? A. A red X. B. A red bat. C. A red dot. What is the answer? A. A red X. Good job, kids!